you're new here, take 1 second in the corner and subscribe to my channel. You're gonna love everything I post. Seriously, you are. Anyway, today's video is all about this Amazon bomb twist, and I will link it in the description box below. It came with 6 packs, and I basically used like all 6 packs. So this is how much I have left. I actually took some out of the front because I didn't want it to be like bulky up here. So I had all the twists in, but then I like snagged a few out because it looked like it was like too puffy up here. And I wanted it to lay a little more flat, but I still wanted it to be full because don't nobody want a Stife style. Yeah. Don't nobody want a Stife style. Like, we need it to be nice and full. Yes. Like I was saying, it comes with 24 twists in the pack, and it comes with the crochet needle, which I didn't need because I have like 5 of these. But it comes with this, and it comes with these hair jewelry, which if I wear something this color, maybe I'll pop them in, you know. But anyway, all my new people that clicked on this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Trust me, you're not gonna regret it. I'm super dope. You're gonna love me. You're gonna love being subscribed to my channel. Trust me. And click the bell so you won't miss any new videos that I post. And more information about this hair will be in the description box below, where you can purchase it, how much it is. It comes 3 different colors, but I recommend sticking with the black color. Usually the hair that because you're ordering it offline, and when you purchase hair offline, you can't touch it, you can't feel it. When I'm in the store, I like to touch my hair, feel it. They say, oh, don't open the hair. No. I need to open it and touch it and see if it's soft, because this is crochet hair, so it's basically little knots all in your head. And you don't want dry hair. You want the hair to be soft, which I feel as though the black is super soft. And it won't put tension on my hair, and it won't break my strands. You get me? So purchasing the color, the ones that are processed and colored blonde, they have a tendency to be dry. I don't know for sure if it's dry because I didn't purchase those colors, but you have a risk of it being dry, chemically treated and colored. So those, I just felt like they might be dry, and I don't need, you could probably still buy it, and if you feel like it's dry, you could put it in, you could soak it in some conditioner with some water and kind of soften it up a little bit. Maybe that'll help. I don't know. But I went with the black, and the black is super soft, y'all. The black is so soft, and you see how full this is? Like, this is really full, guys, and I love it. It's so beautiful. Definitely will last you about a month or 2. Make sure you stay tuned, guys, because I'm definitely going to be uploading a homemade oil to keep your scalp nice and oiled and moisturized. So make sure you stay tuned. I will be uploading that video soon on my homemade hair oil. All right, guys, so let's get right into the video. Don't forget to like this video. If you have any questions about this style, comment below and share this video with your friends. Let's get right into the video after my intro, of course.
Just a brownie skin girl. Yes, sis, show 'em what you about to do. Changing the game like ain't nobody stopping you. Been a long minute, but you stayed on, prayed on. Single mom privilege, but you made off, stayed strong. Could've gone with your buddy, laid off, played off. Build you a dresser with some nails and her shades on. She just a brownie skin girl. Brownie skin girl. She just a brownie skin girl. This is her world.